Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making strawberry cake mix cookies with the cream cheese filling. The ingredients that we're going to need today is 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. The first thing you want to do is get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now you want to go ahead and get your cream cheese. As I said, we're only going to be using 4 ounces, so that's half of this block. Now you want to roll your cream cheese into small balls. You should be able to make 12. Once you're done doing that, we're going to place it into our freezer for 10 to 15 minutes until they become firm. Okay guys, you can now heat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to get a bowl and we're going to empty our cake mix into it. Then we're going to add our vegetable oil and also our eggs. And we're just going to mix until everything is well combined. Once you have everything nicely combined, you want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. And you can get an ice cream scooper if you would like, and begin to make your cookie dough balls. Now we're going to take one of our cream cheese balls. We're going to set it into the center. Next, you want to take some more of your cookie dough. We're going to place it on top. And all you're going to do is seal it. Once you're done, they're ready to go into our oven, 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, our cookies are out of the oven. So I'm going to let them cool off before I put them onto a cooling rack. Okay guys, I placed our cookies onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the inside looks like. That's the bottom. This is the inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.